Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Siti Nurrisnaini with name 241221059. I'm from Morning Management Class 2A. I will present my English exam with the them development and economic growth Indonesia. Understanding economic growth. Economic growth is the development of activities in the economic which cause the goods and service product in the community to ensure and the property of the community to ensure. Economic growth can also be interpreted as a product of exercise the product capacity of an economic which is manifested in the form of an increase in an national income. Growth economic. Growth economic is generally defined as interest in the real GDP per capita gross domestic products. GDP is the market value of a country's total output. Economic development goals. Improving the quality of the community in meeting their basic needs with include food, clothing, housing, health, and security production from the government. Expanding the distribution of various basic necessities, expanding job opportunities, improving the quality of education, increase public income, improving public understanding and behavior in upholding noble values, expanding economic and social cohesion of an as individual and national as a whole. Benefits of economic growth. The rate of growth is to measure economic progress as a result of national development. Is per capita income to measure the level of prosperity research of our sector and regional development planning as a basic for determining the priority of providing various and aid by the World Bank or other international institutions as a basic for making business forecasts. Element for economic development. Development as products. This means that development is a structure that must be developed by a community or nation. Number 2, development and social change. Number 3, development as an affront to interest per capita income. Number 4, the interest in per capita income must take place in the blockchain. How to measure economic growth? Simple case. If it is known that a country's GDP in 2000 was EDR XD 2000 billion at in 2021 it was EDR XD 5,000 billion. The rate of economic growth in 2021 is as follows. XD 5,000 not enough. XD 1,000 estimates 100 to graduate 6.25%. Similarities in economic development with economic growth. Number 1, what are frees in the economic violence. Number 2, the final issue is the size of income per capita. Both are responsibility of the government and require popular sport. Number 4, both have in impacts on people's welfare. Differentiate between economic development and economic growth. Economic growth, the success of economic growth is quantitative, namely an increase in the state of income and the level of output products. Economic development is more qualitative, not only an interest in production would also clangers in the structure of the economy. The Indonesian economy will recover this year. Indonesian economy will grow to 4.5% in 2021. In this presentation and titled Indonesian by P. Ralph of Recover Alden Palamputra explained Indonesian is community in the progress of economic recovery after being by the COVID-19 pandemic, along with the implementation of mass vaccination. Inflation in Indonesia predicts will be around 2.9%. At the end of the year, still below the estimated economic growth, supported by relatively stable of price. He hopes that Bank of Indonesia and government will implement an accommodative fiscal monetary policy. B has cut its benchmark interest rates by 25 basis points to 3.5% in February 2021 to boost economic growth yield. The government's target of the budget deficit in the 2021 state budget is 5.7% of 2055 domestic product (GDP), which is bigger than the initial projection of 4.7%. The government will continue to implement the Omnibus Law on Job Creation to overcome investment in place due to the complexity of regulation, the raw simplification of permits, and re-rigging of regulation in the labor sector. That's all from me. Dan record to like and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.